Hey guys, this is How to Solution, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. So make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process step by step. First, head over to your Instagram, click on the first one, Settings and Privacy, click on Account Center, and scroll down until you find something called Accounts. After clicking on it, as you can see, it is showing all the Instagram accounts that I have. If I had any Facebook linked with this accounts, it would have shown here and there would have been a remove button also. You just simply need to click on remove and it will automatically unlink my Facebook from the Instagram account. So that's how you guys do it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next one.